Listen, if you really want 2026 to be the best year of your life, you need to stop what you're doing right now and pay attention to what I'm about to tell you, because I promise you, this might be the wake-up call that changes everything for you. Let me ask you something real quick. Are you actually gonna let this new year be a repeat of last year's mistakes? Because here's what I see happening with most people. They live the same year on repeat. They wake up, sleep deprived, they drag themselves to a job they barely tolerate, even though deep down, they know they want more money and more freedom. They come back home exhausted when it's pitch black outside. They scroll on their phones or watch TV for 2 hours, go to sleep, and then do it all over again the next day. Now that, in my opinion, is not living, it's only existing. And if you're being honest with yourself right now, you know exactly what I'm talking about, because you've lived it too, most likely. One of my biggest realizations in life was this simple truth. Nothing changes if nothing changes. I know it sounds obvious, but think about it for a second. You can't keep doing the same things, making the same excuses, surrounding yourself with the same mediocre people, and expect your life to magically transform. That's literally the definition of insanity. I come from the low middle class. They say that when you grow up, you're gonna want to get the things you lacked as a kid. And that was very true for me. We weren't poor, in the sense that we weren't homeless or starving, but still, life felt extremely limiting, because everything felt out of reach. I couldn't do all the things I wanted to do. I couldn't buy the things I wanted to buy. I couldn't live the life I wanted to live. And I made a decision that I wanted to live my life to the fullest of my potential. I only became financially free and built the high-ticket consulting business that made me thousands of dollars a day in profit in my early 20s when I massively got out of my comfort zone. And when I say massively, I mean, I did things that terrified me. I had conversations that made me very uncomfortable. I took risks that made no sense to the people around me. None of this would have happened if I had just decided to stay the same. If I had listened to the voice in my head telling me to play it safe, to take the easy path, to wait until I was ready. You're never gonna be ready. That's the thing nobody tells you. You just have to start before you're ready and figure it out along the way. I know it's scary, but that's what you need to do. So right now, I need you to be real with yourself. What did you accomplish last year? Did you actually move forward, or did you just survive? Did you grow, or did you just age? Because there's a massive difference. Most people are just aging, not growing. They're getting older, but they're not getting better. And if you let this year be the same as last year, you're gonna wake up 365 days from now, approximately, in the exact same position. Maybe even worse, wondering where all your time went. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, there's something heavy that you need to think about sometimes. This might just be your last year. Now, I'm not trying to be dark or morbid, I'm trying to be real with you. Would you be proud of yourself if your life ended right now? Or do you still have more to accomplish? Because life can end at any moment, even though we don't like to think about it, but that's exactly what makes it so precious. That is what makes it valuable. People already procrastinate knowing that life is finite. Imagine if we never died. Nobody would be getting anything done because we'd have no urgency. You could put everything off until tomorrow, forever essentially, because there would always be a tomorrow. But that's not reality. Reality is time is running out faster than you think. You're gonna die sooner than you think, and you owe it to yourself to make your dreams come true. Not your parents' dreams for you, not society's expectations, not what looks good on social media. Your actual dreams, the things you think about when you're alone at night, the life you picture when you let yourself imagine what could be possible. You owe it to yourself to at least try. Because the worst thing that could happen isn't even failure. The worst thing that could happen is you get to the other end of your life and you never even tried. You never even gave yourself a real shot. Think about all the people who came before you who didn't get any of the opportunities you have right now. People would have done anything to have the resources, the technology, the access to information that you have. So are you just gonna waste it? Are you gonna scroll through social media for 4 hours a day and then wonder why your life isn't changing? That doesn't make any sense. Every single day that passes is a day you can never get back. Every single morning you wake up is another opportunity that not everybody gets. Some people didn't wake up today. Some people would give anything to just have one more day, one more chance, one more opportunity to make things right. So what are you waiting for? What's stopping you? And this brings me to the most important question I can ask you. What are you so afraid of? Because fear is 99.9% of the time just lies and illusions. Your brain is the king of picturing all those insane nightmare scenarios, right? You think about starting a business because you want financial freedom, and your brain immediately shows you a movie of you being broke, embarrassed, homeless, with everybody laughing at you. You think about putting yourself out there, and your brain shows you getting rejected and humiliated. You think about going after what you really want, and your brain shows you failing spectacularly. And then you know what happens? None of those things actually happen. Instead, you face completely different challenges that you never even thought about. So that's why there's no use in over-planning. It's only procrastination in disguise. You can't plan your way out of fear. You can't think your way into courage. You only have to act your way into it. Look, successful people don't feel less fear than you do. That's the thing nobody tells you. They feel the fear just as much as you. They have the same doubts, the same worries, the same voices in their head telling them they're not good enough. The only difference is they have more courage because they feel the fear and do the thing anyway. Everything you want is on the other side of all the things you're afraid to do. Everything you want, like all the success, all the money, all the freedom, the fulfillment, the awesome relationships, it's all on the other side of the very things you're currently afraid to do. That uncomfortable conversation you need to have, that business you need to start, that skill you need to learn, that person you need to reach out to, that investment you need to make in yourself. It's all there waiting for you, but you have to be willing to walk through the fear to get to it. Most people never get what they want in life because they let fear make their decisions for them. They let fear tell them what's possible. They let fear convince them to play it safe, to wait, to prepare more, to think about it, to maybe try next year. And next year comes, and they're still in the same exact spot with the same exact excuses. Don't be like most people. Most people are broke. Most people are unhappy. Most people settle. Most people give up on their dreams. Most people live with regret. You don't want to be like most people. 2026 can legitimately be the best year of your life, but only if you make a real decision right now that things are gonna be different. Not a wish, not a hope, not a New Year's resolutions that you're gonna forget about by beginning of February. I'm talking about a real decision, a real commitment, a line in the sand where you say, this is it, this is my year, and I'm not letting anything or anyone stop me. You have to want it bad enough to do the things that other people aren't willing to do. Wake up earlier, work harder, learn faster, fail more, get uncomfortable, and stay consistent even when you don't feel like it. Keep going when nobody's watching, even when nobody believes in you, even when you don't believe in yourself. Because here's the truth. Nobody's coming to save you. Nobody's gonna hand you the life you want. Nobody's gonna believe in your dreams more than you do. This is on you. Your success is your responsibility. Your happiness is your responsibility. Your growth is your responsibility. And yeah, sure, that's a lot of pressure, but it's also incredibly freeing because it means you've got all the power. You get to decide. You get to choose. You get to create whatever life you want. But you have to be willing to do whatever it takes to make it happen. If there's one thing I can guarantee you, it's that 1 year from now, you're gonna wish you started today, or you're gonna be grateful that you did. So which one is it gonna be? Are you gonna look back on 2026 as the year you finally stopped making excuses and you started making real progress, you literally transformed your life? Or is it gonna be just another year that you waste? Another year that you let slip by while you stayed comfortable and safe? The choice is yours. It's always been yours. So what's it gonna be? If you wanna discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.